Tools needed for this install is a 1/4 inch screwdriver, 10mm socket, and a Phillips screwdriver. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on a 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150. Let's get started. First step, let's get this weather shield out of the way. So using your Phillips screwdriver, we're gonna loosen the screw, and then you're gonna lift up on it. Next, we're gonna remove 3 10mm bolts. We have 1, 2, and 3. Next, we're gonna carefully unseat the headlight. You're gonna lift up on this top bracket. You're gonna carefully pull it back. Go ahead and disconnect your turn signal bulb socket. Turn it counterclockwise. We're gonna unplug our high beam and low beam. Press down on the tab and disconnect. And then our side marker socket, go ahead and turn it counterclockwise. Disconnect that. And then you're gonna disconnect the bulb. Go ahead and bring over your headlight. Flip it to the back. Go ahead and plug in your side marker. You want to make sure the negative wire matches up with the negative wire when you plug it into the bulb socket of the side marker. Install the bulb socket into your headlight assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Plug in your high beam and low beam. Make sure it's secure. Next, you're going to install your turn signal bulb socket. And before you install it, make sure you check your gaskets on your turn signal and your side marker socket just to make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Next, we're going to seat the headlight in place. Make sure your guide pins line up with the holes. After that, go ahead and reinstall your 3 10mm bolts. Now that we're finished installing the driver's side headlight, let's repeat the same process to the passenger side. Now that we're finished installing our headlights, let's close the hood and test all our headlight functions.